This RE/MAX Select Property video is presented by Tracy Whisnant. Well-maintained 3-bedroom 1.5-bath brick and vinyl ranch home in City of Shelby. Convenient location. Open floor plan. New carpet. Neutral colors throughout. Large living room. Full bath has been updated. Covered front porch. Tile rear patio is very nice, a great place for relaxing. Attached single carport with laundry room. Detached oversized block double garage, 32 feet by 28 feet, is wired and has an automatic roll-up door and a walk-in door. Lots of parking. Detached storage building is wired. Partially fenced backyard. Kitchen and laundry appliances remain. For more information, review the details below or contact Tracy Whisnant at 704-487-765.